Traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. Today is 18th of December and time now is 5:15, I believe, right? Now we are going into a major event which is going to be out by tonight midnight, which is in the US, not in India. US Federal Reserve is going to come out with interest rate, and I'm sure you should have hedged your position. Actually, we have exited our position, or we have a very small quantity because we are going into a binary event. We don't want to take any type of risk, right? Now I really don't know why we are showing so much interest to US markets or US Federal Reserve rather than even RBI interest rate, right? Even if RBI Governor former RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das comes out with interest rate, we don't give so much importance, but US market, we are giving so much importance, right? Anyway, what is going to happen is the main question here, right? What if interest now, if you know already, it has been anticipated, or it has been known that they are going to cut the interest rate by 25 basis point, which is the third consecutive time they are going to cut the interest rate by 25 basis points, right? Now what is going to happen, let me tell you in layman terms what is going to happen if they are going to decrease the interest rate or increase the interest rate when it comes to India. What impact will we have when they increase or decrease the interest rate? When they decrease the interest rate, it is good for emerging markets like India, because FPIs, foreign portfolio investors, look emerging market as a good opportunity, because interest rate in emerging markets like India will be very high, and they will pump money in equities in Indian market. But what I can tell you is, in terms of our market, already everything has been factored, or everything has been priced into. I don't know whether you have seen the at the money straddle today. If you go, even today, if you go and see the, even now, if you go and see the at the money straddle, it is hardly trading for 150 rupees, not even 150 rupees, right? I am saying at Nifty at the money straddle, maybe 24,200 at the money straddle is trading for just how much? Less than 150 rupees or 150 rupees, right? So I don't think much will happen, anything much will happen. We will see, we will go and see in the charts. We'll see the chart in a bit. Yesterday I told 24,200 is going to be very good support, and today market has exactly closed at around 24,200. Before going into the chart, let me tell you a narrative, or let me tell you a real story, like how is, I really don't know about the US economy, but how Indian economy, because these people are just bluffing. Whatever you see in newspaper or whatever you see in social media is just a bluff, right? So that's what I believe. Now one guy from Mahindra and Mahindra, you know Mahindra and Mahindra 4x4 SUV manufacturer, right? So they are having a portfolio of only SUVs. Most of their products are SUVs, right? So he called me, and I paid advance for I booked one car, and they told it is going to take like I booked a Thar Rocks, you know. They told it is going to take maybe 1 year or more than 1 year waiting period. I told, okay, no problem, I'll wait, and nothing wrong in that. I'll wait for that. Then after a few days he called me, sir, there is XUV 700 I think luxury pack, A7 or A7 luxury pack is there, which is costing around, you know how much? Maybe on-road price in Tamil Nadu is around 32 lakhs. Now he told this is a 2003 model, and we are giving you an offer of around 1.5 lakhs. Maybe it will come at around 30 lakhs. Now he thinks we don't know anything. We don't know what is the repo rate, or what is the banking, or how, what are the what are the macroeconomic data, because he doesn't know us, right? He doesn't know I am a YouTuber. He doesn't know we are in financial market. He doesn't know anything about us. Now I told him, I want a discount of 5 lakhs. You know what happened? To my surprise, it just took him less than 3 hours. He came back and he told he is ready to give it for a discount of 5 lakh rupees. Can you believe that 32 lakhs car they are ready to give for how much? 27 lakhs. Now, why am I saying this is because from this you can understand how much inventory these people are having. They have stacked. I read an article 2 days before in Business Standard. Around 7 lakh cars are in inventory, which means 7 lakh cars are unsold. They are sitting in the yard. They are sitting in the dealership. They are sitting in the dealership without selling. See, I am living in a big city. They cannot sell a 32 lakh car, means you can imagine, right? See, don't think I am like hyping or it's just 32 lakhs. You just pay 5 lakhs balance. You can maybe you will go for a loan, right? Even if you calculate that way, you will end up paying around how much? 40 or 42,000 EMI for a 5 year loan, right? So this is the state of the economy, Indian economy. They are not able to sell vehicles. They are not able to, banking system. Interest rate is very high. MCLR is how much? 6.5%. Repo rate is around 6.5%. On top of that, at least 4%. They will keep net interest margin, which works out to be around 10% annual. 10% annual. Now, if you buy a car, 10% annually, you have to pay a 10% interest on diminishing balance, right? So that is the state of the economy. Now I have not decided whether I am going to buy a car or not. I have just paid 10k advance. Maybe I can cancel the booking anytime. And there are lots of things. If a repo rate comes down, if RBI is going to reduce the repo rate, then we will see. Otherwise, we will stick to the current car which I am having. I am happy with that car, right? So anyway, this is just all for information only. Don't think I am showing off. Just for your information to tell you how this economy is, right? Now let us jump into the charts and see what is happening in terms of market. Now, as I told you today morning also, in our telegram group, we have a forum, we have a telegram group. We told that the likelihood of market coming down is very, very high, but we are not ultra bearish. We believe that 24,200 is going to be a very, very good 24,200. See, the lower boundary of the range around 24,000 160 is labeled as a possible support, and that is exactly where Nifty came. You can see here at around 24,160, then it bounced back. Now what they have done is, this people have written huge short position at 24,200 or 24,300 levels. So what might happen, right? That is the main question here. What might happen? There are possibilities, since whatever event or whatever binary event has been priced in or factored in, we might see a market going on the downside. Now, if I change this to a 1 hour chart, you will have a good perspective. This huge order at around 24,200 is almost taken out. Now, next area of support is around 24,000. So there is great possibility that we might go till 24,000, and from there we might go on the higher side, is what I believe. Of course, that's what I told. We are going into a binary event. We really don't know what is going to happen. There might be surprises in the market. So this is all hypothetical, or let's say hypothesis, right? So that is what I want to say. And in terms of Banknifty, let Banknifty chart open. In the meantime, I'll tell you. See, whatever I have told this already, but I am telling you, if you see the straddle, right, 24,200 straddle, hardly there is no premium. Premium has already been eroded, right? Now, if they want to move the market, like what happened to a week before, like last Thursday, not last Thursday, before that, you can see Nifty moved more than 1,200 point, and last Friday we Nifty moved 1,200 or 1,300 points. So if that is going to be the scenario, if they want to move the Nifty around 1,000 or 1,200 points, what they will do is they will try to keep the premium, right? Premiums will all be very high, around at least by now they should be having around 200 or 250 points premium. If the premium is eroded, then you can understand they are not likely to move the market on a expiry day, which is going to be tomorrow. Right now, this is a Bank Nifty chart, and you can see here exactly at this level there is a bounce. Let me draw a line for you so that you will understand. Now exactly at this area it has bounced. So the probability of market Bank Nifty going high, going on the higher side is there are possibilities, but when it comes to Nifty, I believe since it has closed below 24,200, we might Nifty might drag till 24,200, right? So that is the range for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Anyway, as I told you, this is just all whatever I am saying is hypothesis, or whatever I am saying is hypothetical. It may happen, it may not happen. So there are lots of factors we have to consider in terms of market, in terms of market dynamics. So let us see what happens tomorrow. As I told you, maybe we will, if there are no surprises from Reserve Bank of, sorry, not Reserve Bank of India, Federal Reserve, we might see a sideways move in the market, or we might see a calm expiry in the market for tomorrow. So that is what we think, or that is what we believe. And of course, if there are any surprises, we might see a big gap up or gap down in the market, right? So I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in at another video. Till then, take care, bye, and happy trading.